Do you ever feel like managing money is like living in a cage? Every time you get paid, it feels like your money disappears instantly, and budgeting seems impossible. I want you to know something. It doesn't have to feel that way. Imagine if money could actually give you freedom instead of stress. That's exactly what we're going to explore today on Money Science AR, and I promise by the end, you'll see money management in a whole new light. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine, Sarah, used to dread payday. She would get her check, spend on groceries, bills, a little fun here and there, and by the time she realized it, her account was nearly empty. She felt trapped. She thought managing money meant saying no to everything she enjoyed. But one day she learned a simple truth. Money management isn't about giving up things you love. It's about giving your money a job. Instead of wondering where the money went, Sarah started giving every dollar a purpose. She created categories: essentials, savings, and fun. She didn't have to stop her coffee habit or avoid dinner with friends. She just made sure every dollar was accounted for. And the magic happened. Suddenly, she wasn't stressed. She felt in control. That's the first secret. When you know where your money is going, it stops feeling like a cage and starts feeling like a tool. A method Sarah used is called the 50-30-20 approach. It's simple. 50% of her paycheck went to essentials, 30% to things she enjoyed, and 20% to savings or growth. It wasn't a rule to limit her. It was a roadmap that gave her freedom. She knew she could spend guilt-free on things she valued and still save for the future. The numbers can change for you. The principle stays the same. Balance today and tomorrow. Now, Sarah didn't become perfect at tracking every dollar overnight, and neither do you need to. Many beginners feel like they must log every coffee, snack, or impulse buy, but that actually makes money management feel like a chore. Instead, she focused on the big picture: essentials, lifestyle, and savings. Knowing her patterns was enough. That's the second secret. Big picture control is better than obsessive tracking. One of the most empowering changes for Sarah was building a simple emergency fund. Even starting with a small amount each month, she knew that if her car broke down or an unexpected bill arrived, she was protected. That knowledge gave her freedom to spend on things she enjoyed without fear. Having that cushion is like giving yourself wings. Suddenly, you can breathe and make choices confidently. Sarah also realized that saving doesn't have to feel like giving up. She started putting aside small amounts consistently, even if it was $20 or $50 a month. She thought, it's small, but over time, it will grow. Saving consistently allowed her to invest in opportunities and even start a small side project. Every dollar saved became a dollar that worked for her, not something she had to deny herself. Here's another thing Sarah did. She included money for fun intentionally. She budgeted for hobbies, movies, meals out, and even a little shopping. By planning it, she could enjoy life guilt-free. She no longer felt like budgeting was a punishment. That's the third secret. Planned spending for enjoyment makes money management sustainable. Automation was another game changer. She set up automatic transfers for savings and bills, so she didn't have to think about it every month. Money moved quietly in the background, building security and freedom. Automation removes the stress and ensures consistency. It's like having your own financial assistant. Sarah also learned to simplify her accounts. She stopped scattering money across multiple accounts and kept it organized in a simple system: essentials, savings, and fun. When she saw exactly what she had and where it was going, every financial decision felt easier and freer. Finally, she reviewed her system regularly. Life changes. Income goes up or down, bills change, and priorities shift. By checking in monthly, she could adjust allocations and keep her system flexible. That made managing money feel alive, not rigid, so she could enjoy life without feeling trapped by old rules. The biggest shift for Sarah was mindset. She stopped thinking of money management as restriction and started seeing it as empowerment. Every choice she made Every habit she formed gave her control. She wasn't reacting to bills anymore. She was designing her life intentionally. She could spend, save, and grow money all at the same time. You can start today too. Take one small step. Automate a portion of your paycheck. Create categories for essentials and fun. Or start a tiny emergency fund. These small steps build momentum, and over time, managing money will feel natural, even enjoyable. You'll realize that freedom comes from structure, not restriction. If you liked this, there's a lot more to learn. In our next video, we'll explore how to save from every paycheck and multiply your money, so your income starts working for you instead of disappearing. Make sure to subscribe to Money Science AR and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Managing money without feeling restricted is just the beginning of a journey to financial confidence and freedom.